Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another video, and the wig that I have does come from a company called Tinashe Hair. I will leave all the information as well as a discount code in the info section below, so be sure to check there. Now here is the wig that I have. I have their human hair straight 13 by 4 inch high definition lace front wig. My wig is 26 inches long and 200% density. So here is what it looks like. Now I will be customizing this wig, but before we do that, I just wanted you guys to see what this wig looks like on before we do anything to it. Now I did notice that the lace appears to be a little too light for my skin tone, so I went in and I sprayed it with a little bit of water to see how well it melts down and blend in with my skin tone, but it was still a little too light for me. So with that being said, I will be tinting this lace. If you do plan on gluing your unit down, this is completely unnecessary because it should melt right in. However, I don't use any glues, so this is what works best for me. So I went ahead and I cut off that lace that's attached to the back of the wig because you really don't need it, and so I'm going to use it as a test strip. And I added some boiling hot water to a bowl and about a half a tablespoon of this right synthetic clothing dye in the color chocolate brown, and I'm just going to dip that lace in there, and I'm holding it down for about 15 seconds at a time to where we can come up with a color that blends in best with my skin tone. So this is what works best for me. You guys can kind of see the before. It's still super transparent, however I just like that slightly brown undertone. It just melts in better for me. So I'm just dipping it in the dye like a couple seconds at a time. I was too afraid that I was going to over color it. I didn't want that to happen. But yeah, now that we've done this, I'm just gonna go ahead, shampoo, condition, and detangle the hair. Once I'm done with that, I'll see you guys for the next step. Okay, so this is the next day and the hair is completely dried. I just allowed the hair to air dry. I didn't do anything special. And I also want to let you guys know that I did bleach the knots as well as tweeze the hairline off camera. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do that, I'll be sure to link it in the cards above, so go ahead and check it out. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and silk press out this hair. I do want to apologize in advance for the blurry look of this part. I don't know how, but I guess I really wasn't paying attention and it was off focus. So I'm going to make this part really brief. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know how to flat iron hair, but I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Now, you guys, I'm super excited about this part of the video. It is completely unnecessary. However, I'm super excited to do it. Now, I saw this product on Lovely Brianna's channel a few weeks ago. And funny thing, I just kept seeing this product over and over and over again. So I went ahead and I bought it. But this is the Perfect Line Lace Wig Grid Concealer and Knot Eraser. So this is pretty much supposed to create a fake scalp look underneath your lace and allow you to have kind of like that fake scalp wig look without paying a fake scalp wig price. And I got this on Amazon. I'll be sure to link it down below in the description area. But the color that I have is in Mitch, and although it looks really dark, it really blended in flawlessly. You guys go ahead and check this stuff out. I just thought it was super cool and I tried it out, and once again, this is super unnecessary, but you know, I had to get my hands on it. Okay, so this is later on. You guys can see the wig is fully done, and look at that. You can't tell me it doesn't look like an actual $500 fake scalp wig, and it does not rub off unless you heat it up with the blow dryer. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and you see how just effortlessly it just comes together? Like seriously, like it looks like it's growing from my scalp, and you can't see the grids, you can't see the knots. This product makes it to where you do not have to bleach your knots. So if you're a beginner, definitely look into this product. Once again, I'll leave it in the info section below. So right now I'm just trimming off the lace. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of my Got To Be Glued and then wrap up the hair. And once I've done that, I'll see you guys with the next step. Okay, you guys, so get into this hair. Did I mention that this was 26 inches long? I may not be wearing this hair that often during the summertime because we are already at 118 degrees plus out here in Arizona. But I definitely will revisit this wig come this fall. Once again, here's a look at the parting space. You kind of have that fake scalp look. The front perimeter melts in effortlessly. This is Tinashe's high definition lace, so it will melt in with all skin tones once you apply glue. I, however, don't use glue, and I really don't get that melting effect with the Got To Be gel. So definitely use a little bit of glue, or if you're like me, you can definitely tint your lace. But once again, this hair does come from Tinashe Hair. I'll leave all the information below. Also use discount code LW1G02 or 10% off of your purchase. Definitely let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.